Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for the headphones JBL Live Flex 3. Let's go. You have a noise cancelling and also you can customize ANC by enable adaptive noise, or you can make it for yourself. What the best one for you. Now you can also personalize your sound, so I recommend it to doing it. These headphones have a spatial audio, so you can enable it and choose what mode you prefer. I prefer to listen music, so I enable listening music. I really like smart audio. I guess it helped me. And you can also disable voice prompts and change a language for them. It's a rare feature in the headphones. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.